Guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys my recipe for smoked herring. So if you guys want to see how I make this, stay tuned. To start off this, I have here 4 grains of grated garlic, 2 onions, 4 shani belly leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. You will need 3 pimentos, 5 tomatoes, and I have here some smoked herring. So I'm gonna cut off the head, and my water is already boiling. You want to wash out the smoked herring to get the excess salt out. So let's boil this guy. To my boiling water, I'm going to add in my smoked herring. I want to cook this until it's cooked properly, and then I'm going to take out and throw out the water. So I'm going to come in now and take out the smoked herring and place it in a bowl. I want to leave it, let it cool down. Then I'm going to come in and clean it. So I already cut inside, and you want to clean this out. Now some smoked herrings come already clean, and you just have to boil it and take out the bone. But this is what I have access to, so when I finish cleaning out these, I'm gonna make sure and take out all the bone, the fine bone, and take the meat and put it in a plate. So I'm gonna finish up these and I'll be back. So guys, I'm finished cleaning my smoked herring. I'm gonna wait for my pot to heat, and then I'm gonna add in some oil. Going and adding some oil. Once my pot is hot, I'm gonna go in with my onions, pimentos, my tomatoes, shano belly, and my garlic. Gonna mix that in. I want to cook this until it's soft, and then I'm going to add in my smoked herring. Once your tomatoes and onion are cooked, go in with your smoked herring. Paprika and chili flakes. Now that's optional, you don't have to add that. Going to mix that in. This is a simple and easy dish to follow. So when your smoked herring is finished cooked, go ahead and serve it. This is my recipe for smoked herring. This can either go with dal and rice, or even provision or dumpling, or even cricks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's dish. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!